Most people online are broke because they're chasing the wrong things. They're chasing virality. They're copying trendy templates, reading the same recycled advice, and they're stuck wondering why nothing's working. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make real scalable money online in 2025. And this isn't going to be with luck or with any type of crazy strategy. This is going to be through solving real problems for real people. If you guys are brand new to the channel, hi, my name is Sam, and I help complete beginners start their own digital products businesses regardless of whatever their experience or their background is. So to start things off, let me go ahead and be brutally honest. Most people who are making content aren't solving anything. They're simply just regurgitating what everybody else is saying online, just clickbait or generic how-to advice. It's really easy to hit record and say, here are 5 quick ways to make money online, but it's a completely different thing to actually help somebody become successful. And that's why most people never really make money online, because real money follows impact. If you really want to build something scalable or something just sustainable, you need to flip your mindset. The question shouldn't be how do I go viral, but instead it should be how can I make somebody's life easier. So let's go ahead and get into the first step to actually making real scalable money in 2025. And that is becoming completely obsessed with your audience. And not just interested, I mean completely obsessed. This means really taking the time to see and learn what they're currently going through. What keeps them up at night? What's blocking them from taking action? What obstacles are they currently facing? What wouldn't they Google because they don't even know the question to ask? And if you want to build a lasting brand or business, you need to know these answers to these questions. You can't go surface level. You have to deep dive and go to the source, which means doing things that normally your audience wouldn't do, reading the books that they wouldn't read, listening to the podcasts that they wouldn't listen to, watching the YouTube videos that they don't even know to watch. Once you're able to complete this, from there, you start making content that your audience cannot forget about. Not basic tips, not filler, but real content that they wouldn't be able to find anywhere else because of the amount of sheer value in it. That's going to be the type of content that sticks, spreads trust, and grows fast. And once you guys are able to build trust me when I say everything becomes easier. So I want you guys to think about this right now. Most people out there or in the business marketplace are just creating interesting content. But the crazy thing is, people don't buy because something's interesting. They buy because they feel seen and understood. The goal of your content shouldn't be just to entertain or to be interesting. It should be to move from somebody to pain to progress. So every single piece of content that you're putting out should focus on answering one question. What belief is keeping my current audience stuck, and how can I break it? Once you're able to do that consistently, your content doesn't just get views, it's able to start getting remembered. Once you guys are able to start understanding your audience, now it's time to solve a real problem. And here's the framework I want you to use. I call it the 3P framework. Now that framework is going to stand for past, problem, and path. So when it comes to your past, you want to focus on who you were before you started embarking on this journey. What really spurred you to start taking action or to make the change in your life that allowed you to get to this point? Now, personally, when it comes to my past, I got started in the field of digital marketing out of pure necessity. I had a business that was doing pretty well. Everything was going great. But one day, everything just stopped. It just grounded to a halt, right? I had no idea what to do next, and I was pretty much stuck at starting over at zero. In this stage, I was struggling with everything. I had no idea what to do next. I had so many obstacles. I was pretty much in debt, and I was just so overwhelmed and confused that I couldn't see my way out. Now, when it comes to you, you want to think about where you were when you first got started. What were you struggling with? What confused you? Where were you at mentally, physically? What was going on in your life? Once you're able to get a handle on your past, the next step is to understand the problem portion of it. So now that you understand exactly what you were going through in your past, now it's time to turn it into a quickly defined problem that your current audience is going through. So in the content space, this might be, I have no idea what niche to pick. I don't understand how to get people to engage with my content. I have no idea how to grow on social media. When it comes to physical health, they might be concerned on how to lose weight. They might be overwhelmed with all the different diets and the different fads that they might be seeing online, all these different types of things. But ultimately, you just want to take the information that you have from your past and see exactly how it could be a problem that you could solve for your current audience. Now that you have the past and the problem figured out, now it's time to show the path that you took to get the results that you have currently. This could be the exact resource, maybe a mindset shift, or even a strategy that helped you go from feeling stuck to actually making progress in your situation right now. This is also where you deliver your unique solution, whether that's a content system, a mindset reframing, a course, a product, a digital product, whatever it is that can help them shorten the process to helping them get from problem to solution. And when you do this, your content isn't just noise, it's a real solution that can help provide your audience with the transformation that they're looking for. Now, if this resonated with you and you're ready to stop playing small and you actually want to start a successful online business, I have something for you. I've built a complete community for creators, marketers, and digital entrepreneurs who want to find their target audience, build an irresistible offer, and create content that actually reaches people and gets them the sales that they're looking for. If you're interested, the link is in the description, and trust me when I say this is the exact steps that I took to be able to help me get the results that I've received today. This is the exact stuff that I wish somebody would have gave me when I first got started, and it's the only reason why I've been able to be successful today. So don't wait for somebody else to give you guys permission. Go ahead and build the thing. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video.